Please, I welcome you back once again to my YouTube channel, Jofos IT Services, the best and the only YouTube channel that deals with IT related issues, that deal with data bundle tricks, that deal with WhatsApp tricks, that deal with all other legal businesses that can also help you to have a good standard of living. So please, before we dive into today's lesson, if this is your first time visiting this channel, or if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, then please kindly subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification button. Somebody may ask me, why should I turn on the notification button? The notification button is what will notify you or will inform you that there is a new video on our channel. Whenever we post a new video and you turn on the notification button, you receive the notification. So when you want to turn on the notification button, you turn it on for all. Alright, so before we start with today's lesson, let's quickly look at something here. We are going to learn how to get free internet access without bundle. We want to learn how to browse the internet without using data bundle. So let me quickly go to my dial pad here to check my balance first before we continue. So you quickly dial *124#. Okay, then I send using option 1 or sim 1. Okay, so we want to see the data bundle that I have. I have only 1.9296 megabytes, which cannot even browse the internet. So the first trick that I'm going to teach you is how we will use the Opera Mini to have access to free internet connection without data bundle. So you need to get the Opera Mini app on your phone. So let me quickly locate my Opera Mini app. This is the app that we will be using for this training, for the first part of this training. So please, before we dive into that, don't skip any part of this lesson, because if you skip it, you miss a lot of things. Make sure that you watch this video from the beginning till it ends, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on notification button, share this video with your friends and family members, like this video, and drop your comment on this video. Okay, so let's quickly go to settings. Let's go to settings and let's go to app management. Let's click on app management. When we click on app management, let's go to app settings. Tap on app settings. When you tap on that, let's quickly scroll and search for Opera Mini browser app. Opera Mini browser app. So click on the Opera Mini browser app. When you click on the Opera Mini browser app, then let's search for web browser app. So this is the browser app. Let's tap on the browser app. When you tap on the browser app, make sure that you select the Opera Mini. The system already selected Google Chrome, so you select Opera Mini. Select Opera Mini. Make sure that you select Opera Mini. Good. Now let's go back. So we are done with this section. Let's go back and open the Opera Mini app itself. So when we come back to the dashboard here, we locate Opera Mini, click on Opera Mini. But before I click on Opera Mini, let me change my internet connection from the SIM 2 to SIM 1, because the SIM 1 is not having any data bundle. Alright, so it's on SIM 1 now. Let me quickly launch the Opera Mini app. So this particular trick is not any editing, is real. So tap on the Opera Mini. We want to browse through the internet without using data bundle. So let's wait for the Opera Mini app to be launched. Now, let's come to the search, the address bar there, and type google.com. Alright, so we are done with the google.com. Let's click on this button and it will take us to Google. So have you seen that we are browsing the internet free without using data bundle? Let's ask some question here. So what is food? What is food? What is food? So you click on the search button there and let's see what will pop up. So please, have you seen that we are browsing through the internet without data bundle? You saw it yourself. Please, from the beginning I checked my balance and we all saw it that there is no internet bundle that can even have access to the website or the internet. So have you seen that we are browsing through the internet now? Now let me ask another question. Some of you might be doubting. Let me ask another question again. So what is love? Let me ask that question again and search for it. So this is definition for love. Love is a set of emotions and behaviors characterized by intimacy. So guys, we thank you very much for watching this video. We thank you for your time here. Now let's move to the second part of this video. But before we move there, if you know you are yet to subscribe to this one and only educative channel on YouTube, then please kindly subscribe now, turn on the notification button, like this video, comment on this video, share this video with your friends and family members. Alright, now the second thing that we are going to do is that we are going to use a particular VPN. That is the part 2 of this particular training, how to browse through the internet without data bundle, how to use the internet without data bundle. Alright, let's quickly go to Play Store. Alright, so immediately you go to Play Store, let's come to the top here and type Stack VPN. Stack VPN. So Stack VPN. VPN. That is it. So you click on the search button and let's search for that particular VPN. That is the VPN that you'll be using for this training. Alright, so this is the Stack VPN. Because I already have it, that is why it is showing this here. That is the VPN that you'll be using for this particular training. So you can read more about this particular VPN, how it works and how it can help you. So let me click on open. Click on open. So immediately you click on open, this is what you see. We have a Telegram channel where we post important updates and provide supports for our users. Would you like to join us? If yes, you click on yes. If no, you click on no. I wouldn't like to join now, so I will click on no. When you click on no, then let's come to the top here. Let's come to this one and select a server. Let's select a server. So it runs through so many countries. It runs through so many countries. So the country in which you find yourself, that is the country that you select when doing these settings, so that it can work for you perfectly. I'm in Ghana, so I'll select Ghana here. When you look at the Ghana, we have MTN 500 megabytes daily. That is free 500 megabytes daily. Then we have free 500 megabytes daily for 6 days. Then we also have 50 megabytes on MTN. Then we move to the next section. We have Vodafone Unlimited. We have MTN Mashup Bundle. Then Vodafone Ghana Social Media Bundle. We have it. It cuts across so many countries. I can see Pakistan here. I can see Zimbabwe. I can see Sudan. A whole lot of countries. So let me select Ghana 500 megabytes and let's continue. So just tap on it. Good. So it is here now. Now let's click on this button to activate it. Click on it to activate your VPN. So start VPN reloaded want to set up a VPN connection that allows it to monitor network traffic. So click on OK. Click on OK. When you click on OK, then you see the green light here. The red will change to green. So it is now connecting. So guys, if you think that this video is helpful, if you think you have gained some value or you have learned some new things from this video, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to comment on this video. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family members. Thank you very much for watching. Let's meet in our next important video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.